Mr. 300C, y'all in the place to be. What's good? I wanted to show you guys a quick little trick. As you guys know, I'm planning on swapping out my fuel pump. Waiting on one little part to come in. My fuel pump lid tool remover. Yes, I know I can use a hammer and a flathead screwdriver and bang it out. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang. I don't want to do that though. I just want to get something simple, save my time. I've seen a lot of videos, people having issues where, taking them an hour plus to get that stupid lock ring off. So with the tool, it'll be a lot easier. So in the meantime, I found a little trick to get my car to start on the first crank. Look at the miles, man. 13,730. Woo! So the trick is, get my keys ready, is I have to prime the pump. So basically what I do is I just put the car in aux mode. I do that like 3 times. Bada bing, bada boom. Last one. And I don't have to wait this long, but just do it 3 times and then I start it on. Voila, starts the first time. That's how I know it's a fuel pump issue.
Smell it. Smell it.
So that's how I know it's a fuel pump issue. I've done my little trial and errors, fuel injection cleaning, cataclean, seafoam. I use all those different things just to kind of get the cobwebs out just from that first layer. But the fuel pump is something I know that fails over time. This is like a 17-year-old car too, so things are gonna fail even though it's in great condition. So when that piece get here, hopefully I can do a video. We'll see how messy it is, and I can get a video on so you guys can see how to change a fuel pump in a Chrysler 2006 300C. Let me know if you got any questions. Catch you on the next one. Peace.